Hey everyone, it's Chuck McAfee with Berkshire Hathaway and the McAfee Realty Group, and hopefully you're having a good start of your 2021. I know it's kind of crazy times out there, but I hope all is well and hope everyone's staying healthy and happy into the new year. Hey, just wanted to follow up. Last month we sent a video out talking about taking advantage of some of the services that we offer as far as understanding home improvements, maintenance items, you name it, we can help you kind of understand what's going on in your current housing situation. This month I wanted to kind of hit on something a little bit different and provide a little bit different value. You know, and it's really trying to generate some wealth for yourself and really diversify your portfolios. I think a lot of people don't realize the amount of equity that they're potentially currently sitting on their home, especially if you bought a home with me 5, 6, 7 years ago. Like, you're sitting on a lot of equity right now, and we can talk about that and help educate you and understand that. But one of the things I just wanted to kind of throw out there, just loft out the idea, and by no means am I suggesting that your house is an ATM, and I'm not suggesting that you go take money out of your home to go buy a speedboat or whatever it may be, but to really kind of look at taking some equity out of your current situation and reinvesting that into the real estate market. I have done that personally. So I have taken some equity out of my current home to buy an opportunity that just made sense. The monthly payment is less than the rental income covers. It cash flows positive. It's an appreciating asset. And it just makes sense to help generate some kind of wealth. Not saying you need to pull money out of the stock market if your money is in there right now. Really, it's more focusing on the home equity that you currently have, and how do you reallocate that potentially. I'm in my office with actually has a backdrop of kind of the islands, so somewhere where we do like to spend some time. But have you kind of dreamed about opening or owning that second home? Maybe it's a vacation home in the Caribbean, or maybe it's a vacation home down in Florida. There are ways to structure that really don't cost you a whole lot of money, if any money at all. I was able to do my transaction literally at no expense, and it's generating positive cash flow. So there's a lot of opportunity out there with kind of the state of the market right now. It's one of the best markets. It's honestly one of the craziest markets I've ever seen. And it's just kind of continued to go this way, I think, into 2021. So just wanted to loft the idea out there. Are you generating wealth? Are you generating multi-generational wealth? Are you passing that down maybe to your family or whatever it may be? And are you kind of looking at all the resources that you have available? You may not ever want to think about being a landlord or whatever that may be, but it's a great opportunity to really generate some long-lasting wealth for you and your family. So if I can ever help with anything, as always, answer any questions. If you want to talk about this a little bit further offline, you know how to get a hold of me. Just text me, call me, email me, anything I can do to help. Look forward to hearing from you and hope you have a great day. Take care.